Four birds are voting. Scene one, take one. Action!
How did Four Birds of Voting start? Well, it started in the former Soviet Republic of Georgia. I was a teacher there for the Ministry of Education and Science back in 2010 and was trying to think of a way to teach native English to the students in my class. I happened to have with me my very old laptop and the DVD of the BBC Oceans television series. So I thought all kids like films, so I put it on and yeah, it was kind of really interesting to watch them, and I was a bit surprised that they were mesmerised by what they were seeing on the screen, and it hadn't occurred to me that some of them had never seen the ocean before, let alone what lay beneath the waves. So that's kind of how it started. We didn't have time to watch the episode in the lesson, so they wanted to stay after school and continue watching, and from there we kind of became a bit of a club, a Saturday club. And grew and grew, and then we had about 80 young people from all different schools across Tbilisi. And then back in 2012 we became a registered charity in Georgia for the first time, having started from nothing, so that was pretty cool. We're Four Birds of Voting. Four very ordinary girls. Some of us have rowed before, some of us haven't. And we're going to be rowing 7,200 miles across the Pacific Ocean in 2014. And we're raising money for the Thai Children's Trust and our own charity, Four Birds of Voting.